Auditory joy, exploring the positive sensory side of sound. Sound is everywhere. It's a constant companion in our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, we are surrounded by a symphony of vibrations. Yet, how often do we pause and think about its sheer power to influence our emotions and add beauty to our lives? This video is an invitation to explore the wondrous world of sound, shifting our focus to the positive sensory experiences it brings. Let's embark on a journey to rediscover sound as a rich source of joy, inspiration, and connection. At its core, sound is simply vibrations traveling through the air as waves. When these waves reach our ears, they are translated into electrical signals, which our brain interprets as sound. But sound is much more than this technical explanation. It's a unique sensory experience that interacts with our minds in profound ways, often shaping our moods, ideas, and actions. Understanding this basic mechanism provides the groundwork for why sound has such a potent impact on us. When sound enters our ears, the brain reacts instantly. Whether it's the soothing hum of summer crickets or the upbeat tempo of a favorite song, sound has the ability to provoke emotional and physiological responses. Joyful sounds activate the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine, which helps us feel happier and more connected. This direct connection between sound and our emotions is a big reason why music, nature sounds, and even laughter can be powerful mood boosters. Sound plays a fundamental role in how we perceive the world. It shapes our experiences and connects us to the environment around us, even in ways we may not recognize. While harmful sounds, like noise pollution, can be stressful, positive sounds have the opposite effect. They can calm us, energize us, and enhance the quality of our lives. This video shines a light on the joyful side of sound and how it enriches us in ways that are easy to overlook. Certain sounds, whether they come from nature, music, or the voices of people we love, naturally evoke happiness. Think of the laughter of children, the rhythmic crashing of ocean waves, or the melody of a favorite song. These sounds can instantly brighten our mood, reminding us of life's beauty. What makes them so special is their ability to create emotional resonance, turning everyday moments into joyful memories. Nature is one of the richest sources of auditory joy. The gentle rustling of leaves in the wind, birds chirping in the early morning, or the rhythmic flow of a stream. All of these sounds connect us to the earth and bring a sense of calm to stream. These natural soundscapes are powerful reminders that joy often comes from simple, unfiltered experiences. Music is, without a doubt, one of the most universal sources of joy. From the upbeat rhythms of pop songs to the soulful tones of classical compositions, music has the power to shape our emotions almost instantly. The beauty of music lies in its ability to match our moods or shift them altogether. Whether it's a song that makes us want to dance or one that helps us relax, music has always been a tried and true way to find happiness. The sound of laughter is universal. Regardless of culture or language, laughter is one of the purest expressions of human joy. Hearing someone laugh, whether it's a friend, a child, or even a stranger, often sparks joy within ourselves. It's a sound that bridges gaps, strengthens connections, and uplifts the spirit like few others can. Some of the most soothing sounds on earth are found in nature. The rhythmic tapping of rain, the low rumble of distant thunder, or the rustle of leaves in a gentle breeze can promote immense relaxation. These sounds are often used in mindfulness practices, as they have been shown to reduce stress and bring a sense of inner calm. Have you ever noticed how certain sounds can help you concentrate better or feel more inspired? Instrumental music, for example, or ambient soundscapes like soft piano notes or gentle rain, can enhance creativity and focus. By stimulating the brain without overwhelming it, these sounds provide an ideal environment for brainstorming, problem-solving, or artistic creation. Scientific research increasingly highlights the link between sound and well-being. Studies show that exposure to certain sounds can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, reduce heart rates, and even stimulate positive emotions. Whether it's through calming sound waves or rhythmic music, sound is proving to be a vital tool for improving mental and emotional health. Sound has been used as a therapeutic tool for centuries. Modern practices, such as sound baths and music therapy, harness the healing properties of vibrations to reduce anxiety and stress. These therapies use frequencies and tones to help relax the body and mind, unlocking a sense of calm and happiness. In the world of entertainment, sound creates mood and immerses us in stories. Think of how movie soundtracks heighten the impact of key scenes. A suspenseful score can make our hearts race, while a triumphant melody can bring us to tears of joy. Sound design adds depth to storytelling, making movies, television, and games more powerful and engaging. Practicing mindfulness involves being present in the moment, and sound can play a vital role in this. By focusing on the sounds around us, whether it's the hum of a ceiling fan or the distant bark of a dog, we can cultivate greater awareness and appreciation for our surroundings. Mindful listening helps us connect with the world on a deeper level, often bringing a sense of peace and joy. Have you ever paused to identify the joyful sounds in your environment? Take note of the laughter of loved ones, the melodies of birds, or even the sound of your favorite coffee brewing. These simple auditory pleasures can ground us in the present and remind us of life's everyday beauty. The world is filled with unique soundscapes. From the vibrant city buzz to the tranquility of a rainforest, each place offers its own auditory charm. Exploring the world through sound, either in person or through recordings, is a beautiful way to connect with diverse environments and cultures. Sound is also an integral part of cultural identity. Musical traditions, chants, and communal songs are deeply rooted in human history and continue to spark joy. Whether it's an ancient flute melody or the pulse of a folk drum, cultural sounds serve as a reminder of how sound unites us across generations. Sometimes, the smallest, most subtle sounds can bring the greatest joy. Have you ever heard the faint hum of the city at night, or the creak of an old wooden floor? These moments of auditory stillness present us with an opportunity to appreciate the little details of life. Sound is also a powerful tool for improving mental health. Meditation apps, soothing playlists, and yoga classes often integrate carefully designed sound elements to help participants relax and find balance. These tools are reminders that sound can have a profound effect on our overall well-being. Certain sounds have the power to transport us back to special memories. The chirp of a cricket might remind you of childhood summers, or the sound of an old song might bring back moments of celebration. This nostalgic connection makes sound an emotional time machine that helps us relive joyful experiences. You have the power to shape your auditory environment. Surround yourself with positive sounds by playing your favorite music, incorporating natural sound elements like running water or plants, and minimizing distracting noise pollution. A well-curated sound environment can transform an ordinary day into an uplifting experience. Here are some practical ideas to bring more auditory joy into your life. Create playlists tailored to different activities, e.g., relaxing, focusing, energizing. Go on a mindful walk while paying attention to surrounding sounds. Use sound-based apps or devices to brighten your space with natural soundscapes. For those seeking a retreat from the everyday hustle, auditory escapism offers a way out. Apps and online platforms provide a range of serene soundscapes, from ocean waves to crackling campfires. These sound experiences help create a mental sanctuary, even if you can't physically escape. Active listening involves truly focusing on and appreciating the sounds around you. By actively engaging with sound, you can uncover details you may have otherwise missed. This practice not only enhances enjoyment, but also sharpens your connection to the auditory world. Innovative techniques like binaural beats tap into the deeper effects of sound. These frequencies influence brainwave activity, enhancing focus or relaxation. Though science is still exploring the full benefits, sonic resonance represents an exciting frontier in personal wellness. While sound is a source of joy, overstimulation or exposure to disruptive noises can have negative effects. It's important to balance sound with moments of silence to avoid sensory overload. Properly managing your soundscape ensures the experience remains positive and enriching. Sound doesn't just affect individuals. It brings people together. Shared experiences like concerts, music festivals, or even spontaneous singing with friends create powerful emotional connections. Through sound, we find unity and shared joy. Sound is an incredible force that reminds us to live in the moment. It's not just something we hear, it's something we feel, cherish, and connect with. Auditory joy is all around us, waiting to be noticed. So here's your challenge. Take time to truly listen. Tune in to the sounds that surround you, the laughter, the music, the moments of quiet. Discover the joy that's already there, waiting to brighten your world. Let's appreciate the beauty of sound together.